and others all double digits. We're set for the last. Thanks for being with us tonight. We'll be back in action Friday night, 7:25, first race post time, 6:45 Eastern. We hit the airwaves with the Woodbine Racing Live pregame show. Good luck in the last. Here we go. On the gate. There they go. They're off in pacing. Looking for a quick start is Totally Dreamy. Totally Dreamy. Quickly off the wings of the gate, crosses over for Hudon. Buddha Blue Chip goes with him. Ideal Shadow getting away third there from the rail. It's going to be Buddha Blue Chip on the outside, driving on. Totally Dreamy's going to get a good two-hole trip. Ideal Shadow settles into third. Dragon Sealster fourth one back. Then Keystone Memphis. Tracking that one is Meet You at Midnight as they hit the opening turn. 27-3 opening quarter for Buddha Blue Chip, who opens up 2 on the field as he'll lead them over the tunnel. Totally Dreamy tracks from second. Ideal Shadow 5 off the lead early on as the 2-5 favorite, and here he comes. He gets his call early. Ideal Shadow out and rolling from third, second, and soon to be first as he goes after leader Buddha Blue Chip. So a backstretch brush by the heavily favored Ideal Shadow. He's now soon to clear. Second will be Buddha Blue Chip. It's a break of 4 to Totally Dreamy from third. Dragon Sealster tracks them from fourth. Then it is Keystone Memphis, Meet You at Midnight. Then it is back to James McDonald and Cobble Beach. On that one's back comes Glory Beach. Then it is Mick Whirlaway making his seasonal debut in the trailer Better Art. 55-4 was the half-mile speed for Ideal Shadow, and Buddha Blue Chip right on the helmet from second. Now up to third, Dragon Sealster. Dropping back was Totally Dreamy. Second over and getting into it is Keystone Memphis, well spotted from fifth if good enough. On his back is Meet You at Midnight, 123 4 3/4. And it's Ideal Shadow looking for the wire. His lead is a length. Buddha Blue Chip is locked in the pocket. He needs room out. Dragon Sealster keeping him in there on the outside third. He's got room now. It's Ideal Shadow with the lead. Buddha Blue Chip is pulling pocket, and here he comes after Ideal Shadow. Digging in on the inside is Ideal Shadow. Buddha Blue Chip has got him. And Buddha Blue Chip at 6-1 gets Ideal Shadow right at the wire. Third to Dragon Sealster in 152-1.